little kids begin to play. One small boy says with delight, "I'm a doctor today, that's right." Hello. Two little sisters laugh and cheer. Let's have fun together here. Little boy with doctor hat checks a doll and says, "Look at that. Tiny bottle toy bandage too. Doctor work is fun to do." He brings the doll beside a pail. Big sister says, "No, that will fail. Don't put it there, it's not okay. The doll might get sick today." Doctor, 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 check with care. Helping toys everywhere. Fix and mend and make them smile. Happy playtime all the while. Zoom, 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 a doctor car comes to help from near and far. Little doctor waves his hand. "I can help, I have a plan." Yeah? He checks the bottles one by one, slowly working. What fun, fun! Sisters clap and dance around. Happy giggles fill the sound. Foamy bandages. Outside in the yard they play. One girl acts in a silly way, putting bandages on her head. Blue and pink and white and red. Everyone laughs loud and long, singing in a happy sense. Doctor, 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 check with care. Helping toys everywhere. Fix and mend and make them smile. Happy playtime all the while. Little brother brings a dino toy, running fast with lots of joy. Oops, a dino bumps the shelf. Blocks fall down all by themselves. Crash, crash, crash upon the floor. Oh no, our toys no more. Doctor boy says, "Do not cry. I can fix them, let me try." Fix me, try. Paper pieces taped so tight. Doctor fixes them just right. Little sisters smile with cheer. Our toys are safe again right here. Daddy comes back home at last. Kids all run to him so fast. They play train around the room. Choo choo choo, go zoom, zoom, zoom. Suddenly the train falls down. Daddy flips all around your who's. Brothers, sisters quickly say, "Let's repair it right away." Tape and tools and little hands, working hard just as they plan. Soon the train moves once again. Happy smiles from everyone. Mom comes out with camera bright. "Smile, everyone, hold on tight." Daddy laughs and kids all grin. Happiest family we've ever been. Click, 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 picture done. What a lovely day of fun. Doctor, 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 do you sense favorite hair? Family love is everywhere. Laugh and sing the whole day through. Happy times for me and you. Stars shine softly in the sky. Kids wave gently bye, bye, bye. With toys and laughter warm and bright, they dream sweet dreams tonight. White night. On a bright and sunny day, Mom and Dad say, "Come, let's play." Three little kids jump up with cheer. Park adventure time is here. Clap your hands and sing along. Today will be a happy song. Kids rush all at one time, trying quickly up to climb. Daddy smiles and softly says, "Take your turn in careful ways. One by one is safe and smart. That's the way we always start." Play and laugh and have some fun, shining brightly like the sun. Swing so high and slide so fast. Happy moments always last. Happy moments always last. Swing goes up and swing goes down. Happy giggles all around. Mom and Dad both laugh to see kids so full of energy. Back and forth they fly so high, almost touching to the sky. At the park there's so much more, toys and games they all adore. Little cars go zoom, zoom, zoom. Bird toys sing a happy tune. Fish toys wiggle, splash, splash, splash. Kids all laugh and dance and dash. Mommy claps and Daddy cheers. Such a lovely day, my dears. Brothers, sisters, side by side, playing games with joy and pride. Running, jumping, full of play, making memories. Jogging, swing and slide and shout hooray. We had fun the whole today. Laugh together, sing with cheer. Best park day of the year. As the sun goes down at night, stars begin to twinkle bright. Kids go home with sleepy eyes, dreaming of the park surprise. Happy moments always last. Happy moments always last. Swing goes